Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to remove emoji from a picture on only with Instagram application. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application, and right after that you just need to make sure that you are stay in the home sections, and whenever you got it here you just need to click this plus button and you just need to pick the picture that containing emoji on it. So here I already got this picture, so I got this picture from Pinterest though, so I want to remove this emoji. The way to do that is just go click the three small dots and go click draw. The next thing we need to do is just adjusting the size of the pen. Here I will like to make it the biggest size, so just drag it into the top side. The next thing we need to do is just picking the color by go click this color picker and just drag it into the specific area that we want to duplicate the color, and you just need to start scratching. And you'll see now the emoji is start to be disappear, and whenever you're done you just need to go click done. And now just need to download it by go click the three small dots again and go click save, and this photo will be saved into your photo library right away. So that's the way how to remove emoji from a picture only with Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.